In this video, I'm going to show you how to add SimilarWeb extension in Chrome. So first, make sure you are on the Chrome browser, and then on the search bar, search for SimilarWeb extension, and then make sure you click the Chrome Web Store, and then after that, you will see here the Add to Chrome button. Click on that in order to add it as your extension on your browser, and then wait for it to finish the installation or the downloading process. You can check the downloading icon on the upper right corner for the downloading progress of your extension. So once the downloading is complete, it will automatically redirect you to the similar web that says that your installation is complete or the adding the extension is complete. And that's it. That's how to add similar web extension in any browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.